Happy Motivational Monday, y'all. Let's ride, let's vibe, y'all. Let's ride and vibe, y'all. I don't own the rights to the music in the background, y'all. This is a brand new day, y'all. A brand new day to make changes. A brand new day to be thankful, y'all. We head into the Christmas holidays and New Year, y'all. It's time to separate. Separate to elevate, y'all. Time to be the best version of ourselves, y'all. Not to sell ourselves short, guys. And my word for today is, y'all, don't be afraid to transform. Don't be afraid of transformation. You know what I'm saying? We were born and made to evolve. You know what I'm saying? So don't be afraid to transform. Don't be afraid to go on higher levels, on higher heights. Because God designed us to be that way, y'all. So, you know what I'm saying? Make plans. Set yourself apart. Make plans to be the best version of yourself. Make plans to be all you can be, to have all you need to have in life. And don't settle. Don't settle for just drama, mess. Don't settle for insufficiency. Don't settle for sickness. Don't settle for nothing that you don't have to settle for, y'all. It's time to turn up, set yourself apart, y'all. Taking my product on this morning, y'all. Getting all the nutrients into my system. Love this song. I worship and adore you. Just want to tell you, Lord, I love you more than anything. If you're alive on this day, you know what I'm saying, you are blessed. You are blessed. This is another day. You're blessed for a second chance in life. A second chance to be the best you, a second chance to walk in love, a second chance to have joy, a second chance to put away old things, a second chance just to exude, just go higher in life. God grace you, you alive, you here for a reason. Don't sleep on yourself. Don't settle for less than what you already made. You know what I'm saying? Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. I don't own the rights to the music playing in the background. Make sure you're getting your day started on the right foot. Make sure you're walking in gratitude. Make sure you got plans. You got plans. Set goals. Pray, plan, execute. Sometimes we got to feed ourselves. We got to feed our soul, y'all, because a lot of time that's what it begins. It begins with our soul. It begins with our mind. You know what I'm saying? Things develop a certain type mindset. You know what I'm saying? So if you're feeding your soul with positive things, inspirations, especially first thing in the morning, that's going to set your day. You know what I'm saying? When the enemy try to throw things at you, you can be able to conquer it. You know what I'm saying? We got to start putting in the right things into our soul. You know what I'm saying? So we can be able to be set apart and to do the things we need to do in life. You know what I'm saying? Because we're made to evolve. We're made for change. We're made to go to the next level. We're not made to stay the same. We're not the same when we were born as babies. You know what I'm saying? Our bodies changed. We became from a baby to a child to a teen to an adult. Some people already reached the senior citizen age. You see that, you know what I'm saying, we change as just being human. And also you need to develop internally. You need to develop, change, grow. Don't be afraid for transformation. Don't be afraid to set yourself apart. A lot of times, like even with health, like your body can be telling you different things. A lot of people ignore signals. They ignore chest pains. They ignore, headaches, and they don't do anything about it. You know what I'm saying? Like, you have to start making changes when your body is telling you things. Make changes. That's on the health side. Also, like on the physical side, you know what I'm saying? You're not around people that's going to get you to the next level, that's going to motivate you. Your environment is not conducive to where you're trying to go. Some people stay there. Some people don't try to make changes. They don't try to make changes, and they're wondering why they're not growing. They're not growing to their best potential because you failed to make the changes. You have to make changes in order to receive the results. That's it. It's not, change is not going to happen on its own. It's not going to happen because you snap your finger. You have to put the work in. You have to do what it takes to get to where you're trying to be and what you're trying to do. You know what I'm saying, y'all? As we embark, Christmas is like less than 5 days away. As we embark onto Christmas, as we embark into the new year, we got to start, doing things differently. What's going to set ourselves apart in 2022? It should be you versus you. What are you going to do differently in 2022 that you did in 2021? It's some things you need to leave behind. It's some things you might need to develop in 2022. You know what I'm saying? You can go ahead and start thinking like that. Start making your list. Start making plans. Go ahead and PPE. That's pray, plan, and execute. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and start making visuals, speaking things in the atmosphere. Start working towards those things. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to settle for whatever trauma, drama, whatever it is that you're going through. You don't have to settle for that. You don't have to settle for that unless you just want to go through that. Now, if you just want to go through that now, that's a whole another story. But if you really want to make change, first you need to pray. You know what I'm saying? And start to become in tune with yourself. You get ideas, start writing stuff down. Have a habit of writing things down, carrying journals. Write stuff down, because all writing down, it gives you some type of inkling on what levels and next step you need to be taking in your life. So that's why I'm big on that. Writing things down, being in tune with yourself, being inspired, being around, people that's going to help you to grow, pushing yourself, not being afraid to take risks, not being afraid that sometimes you're going to be alone. To be honest, like a lot of times you may be alone. Like you can't be afraid to be alone. You may be alone, but whatever it is necessary for your growth, you got to do what you have to do by any means necessary. By any means. Y'all, so I'm out. But before I go, y'all, if you like to try any of these products, y'all, just had my NutriBurst, sipping that this morning. Y'all, my travel on the go package, y'all, getting my immune system built up. Detox, anything, y'all, simply click. You can click on my link tree. I have that here. Click on that. See what I got going on there. For any questions, for any samples, anything, y'all, hit me up, y'all. Your health is your wealth. You matters. Your mindset matters. Health matters. Everything matters, y'all. Be intentional on this Monday, y'all. Start setting yourself up for success. Set yourself up for success. What are you doing to set yourself up? What are you doing? What you putting in your system? What you listening to? Who you're around? Who's in your ear? Who's motivating you? What are you doing on your spare time? What are you doing when you by yourself? Are you afraid to be by yourself? What are the things that you're doing to set yourself apart? Do you have any fears? What is it? Start tackling those things. Start writing those things out. Start handling them. Be face to face with yourself, y'all. Guys, thanks for watching. Love you. Talk to you later. Have a great one.